Fidel Kamaro chairperson w'abahingi b'emonde ba Kisoro Irish Potato Growers Cooperative Union nagira ngo bakatandikaho ekibiina kyabo n'ekigendererwa ky'okuronda embibo nungi hamwe n'akatare k'emondi biite embibo ezi barikutunga tizirikwera kurungi. Ogu nagira ngo hariho ebika by'emondi ebitarikwera kurungi nikwe kushaba abahingi okurekeraho kufagagura embibo z'emondi.
We also get the local variety from Narok and small operators in the Kabale and Rwanda. That is also good because free from diseases and can stand climate change like drought and prolonged rains.
Honorable Dr. James Nsababuturo ry'omunyishenjero w'abafumbira East nashaba government okurekeraho kureta emondi eziri kucukuka kujuba kandi zitarikurugamo n'embibo.
We shall find ways of making sure that debt is settled, but the machine itself we are not going to allow that it leaves that place. Instead, we will change management. We will make sure that we support fully those who are in charge of the machine.
The main problem is soil exhaustion. Soils are exhausted due to three main things. One, monocropping. Farmers, especially in Nyarusiza and Muramba, have been monocropping for a long period of time.
Ubwo hatenshaho y'embibo y'emonde ya Kinege negure emitwaro 50, Rwangume negure emitwaro 40, Kinege negure emitwaro 30 hamwe n'emitwaro 28. Amakuru aga gashakwa Kate atuzarire.